what you're doing. This is an invisible frequency, but it's real. You can't see it. It's a magnet. And all the good and all the beautiful things that you're doing will draw people to you like a magnet. Because that's what you are. You vibrate with the frequency. All the chakra points are lit up. The 7 colours of the rainbow is what you are. And what are the 7 colours when they bind together? Light. And there's a difference between scattered light and real light. Whoa, real. You know, there's something about people's names. Everybody's name tells me something about them. And that tells me about, what does my name tell you about me? Joseph. Wise man. Only you can decide that. You know what I mean? I don't know. I've been called by my friends just the opposite. My friend, when I was a young boy, used to turn words around. Instead of wise man, he used to call us dumb woman. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. Wise man, dumb woman. Dumb. How dare he? Huh? But I took it all. I don't give a fuck. Dumb woman. I had long hair. Are you a dumb blonde? Are you a dumb blonde? No, you're not. You're, do you know what they say? Blondes have more fun. I don't know. I've never been about much. And my hair's not blonde anyway. What colour is it? I don't fucking know. Yeah, any ideas? You see, with these lights here, it gives you an impression that it's a different colour. But in actual fact, my hair's dark at the back. And I haven't done anything. I don't dye my hair. And don't be saying that I dye my hair. I do not. Oh. I gotta go. I need to have a runoff anyway. I need to have a runoff. You know. Shit, lamb's tail. Don't ask us what that means. Silly. Ah, man. I'll get this uploaded as soon as I can. You alright, then? Did you feel the spunk? Did you feel the spunk? Well, I'm so sorry. You stopped all this time. It's your fault. Bye-bye.